Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the addition of given polynomials, two or more polynomials. What is a polynomial? How to define monomial, trinomial, binomial, what is the like term, unlike term? We already discussed in our previous lectures. Now we will use here to perform the mathematical operation addition. See, there is a addition of two or more polynomials. Firstly, we take only single polynomial. Suppose I write down 2a add 2a and 7a. There are two polynomial have only single term. It means these are the monomial. Both are monomial. How to add? We just write down 2a plus 7a. This type we write down. Now terms same, it means a 2 plus 7, you can write down like this, 2 plus 7 into a 9a, or if you know then you can skip this step. Another thing, suppose it is given to you minus 3x square 5x square, add, then minus 3x square plus 5x square, minus 3 plus 5 into x square, minus 3 plus 5, it means plus minus minus, and the greater number has positive sign, then your answer will come in plus, and 5 minus 3 2x square. If we can add two or more polynomial if they have same term, means like term. If unlike term, suppose there are two polynomial 2a and 7b and question is add, then answer is only just 2a plus 7b. We can't apply any other thing on this. Justly apply the addition operation and write down your answer 2a plus 7b. It is the addition when only monomials are given to you. Now binomial or trinomial, these type of things given to you. Suppose your question is add 2a plus 7b and 3a plus 5b. Then how to add it? Firstly write down 2a plus 7b. Here plus sign because we want to do add 3a plus 5b. Like terms combined together, 2a 3a, like term 2a, and this one is plus 3a, plus 7b, and this one is plus 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 5b. Now 2a plus 3a, one step, 2 plus 3a plus 7 plus 5b, 2 plus 3 5a plus 7 plus 5 12b, then this is our answer. Next see, okay, this is a horizontal method. Suppose now it is given to you add 2a plus 3b, 5a minus 7b minus 6a plus 2b. We want to add all these polynomials. Now we will discuss both type of method. Firstly horizontal method. In horizontal method, see, write down 2a plus 3b plus 5a minus 7b plus minus 6a plus 2b. We use the parenthesis to represent here the addition of this. Now see, 2a plus 3b. Firstly solve the parenthesis, plus 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 minus, minus plus minus, minus plus plus plus. Now for solving this, combine all the terms, like terms together. 2a plus 5a minus 6a. This one plus 3b minus 7b plus 2b. Now solve it. All are terms A, then obviously your answer will come with A. 2 plus 5 minus 6. Put sign positive here. Obviously answer will come in B. 3 minus 7 plus 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 1A plus 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 7. Answer come plus minus minus. It means we have to do subtraction, or whenever you apply the direct subtraction, subtract larger value minus smaller value, then 7 minus 5, 2. But sign we will decide here according to which one number is greater, 7, and 7 has which one sign, negative. It means answer will come in minus 2. Then this one minus 2b. 1a you can write down directly, a plus minus minus a minus 2b. Our answer. This method is called horizontal method. Now on the same question we will apply the column method also. How to do column method? In column method we write down firstly 2a plus 3b, 5a minus 7b minus 6a plus 2b. We will perform the addition. All are terms with a, then your answer will come with a. Solve with numerical coefficient. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 minus 6, 1. 1a. 3 minus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 7. Already solved. 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 2b. It means your answer is a minus 2b. Your answer. So we can apply the column method like this. Another example. Suppose it is given to you at x square minus 3x plus 4, 4x square minus 2x plus 7 minus x square minus plus 5x minus 2. Add these polynomials. If you see, then they are already see, all are in like terms. Here all terms of x square, here all terms of x, here constant. Now see, numeric nothing is there, it means we calculated 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5, nothing is there, it means here also 1. 5 minus 1, 4. It means it becomes 4x square. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is equal to, minus minus plus means 3 plus 2, 5. But sign will come negative. Then minus, sorry, till here minus 5x minus 5 plus 5. Obviously 0. Then here plus or minus anything you write down, 0x. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Then basically your answer will come 4x square minus 9. This term we will not write. any coefficient is 0, it means it will give 0. Then your answer is 4x square minus 9. This time we will solve the addition of given polynomials. One more question. This question is given to you, do the addition. How to do addition? See here, x power 5, then firstly we put x power 5 directly, nothing is there, plus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 plus 4, and term is x power 3. Now see this one, plus 3 minus 5, obviously plus minus minus, then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, but with greater value there is a sign negative, then it means answer will come in negative. Plus 7 plus 3, 10. This is our answer. This type we will solve the addition of given polynomials. Now suppose if anything is given to you like this, p is equal to 2x plus 3y, q is equal to minus 3x plus 4y, r is equal to 2x plus 7y minus 7y. Find p plus 2q plus 2r. Then how to find out? Firstly p value 2x plus 3y plus 2q, 2, it means put the value of q, minus 3x plus 4y plus 2r, 2x minus 7y. Now solve it. 2x plus 3y plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6, 6x, plus plus plus, 2 4s are 8y, plus 2 2s are 4x, plus minus minus 2 7s are 14, 14y. Now solve the like terms together. 2x minus 6x plus 4x, 2x minus 6x plus 4x, y plus 3y plus 8y minus 14y. Now solve it. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 minus 6, 0. It means there is no need to write down this. Directly cut it. You can write down like this, 6x minus 6x plus 3 plus 8, 11y minus 14y. This one cancel. Here 11 minus 14. Again plus minus minus, then 14 minus 11, 3. But with greater value there is a sign negative, so answer is minus 3y. Then we will solve like this addition of given polynomial. Okay, if the question related to perimeter, suppose a triangle given to you, it is given to you. Your question is find the perimeter of a triangle. Then firstly we have to know what is the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of any quadrilateral, any geometrical figure is always sum of all sides. Then sum of all sides, then write down value 2x plus 3y plus 3x plus 5y minus 3x plus 2y. You can write down this one like this also. Whenever you have negative sign, then put these value in firstly bracket, parenthesis. 2x plus 3x, like terms all together, plus minus minus 3x, plus 3y plus 5y plus 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 2y. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 3, 2x, plus 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Then our answer is 2x plus 10y. This type we will solve the addition of the given polynomials. Perimeter of rectangle, then what is the perimeter of rectangle? Two formulas there. You can take directly sum of all side, or you can write down 2 into length plus breadth. Okay student? Okay, one more thing. Suppose I write down p square plus p square plus p square plus p square plus p square, then it is equal to what? Answer is p power 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10, or answer is 6p square, or answer is 5p square. We are doing addition. It means all the terms are same, then it comes 5p square. 1, 2, 3, nothing is here, it means there is 1. Then add it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how many p square? 5p square. Your answer will be 5p square. If write down like this, minus 3a square b, what is the coefficient of a square? Then minus 3 into a square into b. Leave the a square and see minus 3 into b, that is minus 3b. What is the coefficient of a square? Minus 3b. Yes student, now your 6th B exercise complete. Do in your fair notebook with examples and check your answers also. Sign problem do properly. Sign, you already know that when you solve plus plus, this is always equal to plus. Plus minus, then it is equal to minus. Minus plus also minus. Minus minus, then plus. So do your exercise properly. 6th B exercise do complete in your fair notebook with example. Thank you.